Good morning and welcome. Today we're diving into the story of a company that's not just making headlines, but actively shaping the future of transportation. We're talking about BYD, short for Build Your Dreams, a name that's become synonymous with innovation in the electric vehicle world. Over the past 2 decades, BYD has transformed from a little-known battery maker into a global force in the automotive industry. This Chinese powerhouse began its journey manufacturing cell phone batteries, but today, it leads the world in new energy vehicles, including both all-electric and plug-in hybrid models. Their relentless drive for progress has set them apart from competitors. BYD's mission has always been to make electric cars affordable and accessible for everyone. By doing so, they've pushed the entire industry forward, forcing even the biggest global automakers to rethink and accelerate their own EV strategies. What truly sets BYD apart is their unique approach. They design and manufacture almost every critical component in-house, from advanced batteries to microchips. This vertical integration gives them a significant edge in both cost control and technological innovation, allowing them to respond quickly to market changes. Their reach now spans the globe. BYD vehicles, including cars, buses, and taxis, can be spotted everywhere from the bustling streets of Santiago to the iconic roads of London and the busy avenues of Tokyo. Looking at their latest sales numbers from 2025, we see a company at a pivotal crossroads, facing fierce competition and regulatory challenges at home in China, yet continuing to thrive and expand in international markets. But this is more than just a story about impressive sales figures. It's about a company navigating the complexities of a rapidly evolving industry, where innovation and adaptability are key to survival. So, what do these results really mean for BYD, for the global car industry, and for the future of how we all get around? We're about to break it all down. Buckle up. This journey promises to be both fascinating and revealing. Let's dive in and explore what lies ahead. December 2025 was a month of contrasts for BYD, a time when the company's fortunes seemed to pull in 2 very different directions. The numbers told a story of both challenge and opportunity, with the company's performance at home and abroad diverging more than ever before. BYD sold 420,398 new energy vehicles in December, a figure that would be the envy of most automakers. Yet, this impressive total was actually down 18% from the previous year, and 12% from just the month before, highlighting a worrying slowdown. This marked the 4th consecutive month of declining sales in China, a clear sign that BYD was facing real headwinds in its home market. The mood in showrooms and boardrooms was noticeably tense, but internationally, the story was completely different. BYD set a new record, selling 133,172 vehicles overseas, a staggering 133% jump from last December, and a sign that global appetite for their cars is only growing. While Chinese sales of both fully electric and plug-in hybrids dropped, global demand for BYD's vehicles soared. The company's international presence is expanding rapidly, with new markets opening up every month. Plug-in hybrids, in particular, saw a sharp 25% year-over-year decline in China, marking their 9th straight month of falling sales. This segment, once a growth engine, is now struggling to keep pace. The market is shifting. Chinese consumers are either moving to pure electrics or facing more choices than ever before. Competition is fierce, and buyers are becoming more selective, weighing their options carefully. December perfectly captured BYD's dual reality: domestic challenges, but international triumph. The contrast between quiet showrooms at home and bustling activity abroad couldn't be starker. The overseas boom is now a vital engine for BYD's growth, helping to offset the slowdown in China and fueling optimism for the future. Their global strategy isn't just working, it's reshaping the company's future, pushing BYD to innovate and adapt to new markets and customer needs around the world. The balancing act is on full display, as BYD navigates a complex landscape, striving to regain momentum at home while seizing every opportunity abroad. Looking at the 4th quarter of 2025, BYD sold 1,342,290 new energy vehicles, down nearly 12% from the previous year. The slowdown wasn't a fluke. Competition in China is fiercer than ever. Yet overseas sales exploded, 349,011 vehicles sold abroad, up an astonishing 192% from Q4 2024. Fully electric car sales rose 9%, while plug-in hybrids dropped 26%, driving the overall decline. The message is clear. BYD's international expansion is accelerating, even as domestic sales falter. The company is winning new markets and customers worldwide. The decline in China, especially for hybrids, is a challenge they must address. But the global surge and strong BEV sales provide a powerful counterbalance. BYD's multi-pronged approach is turning a tough quarter into a story of resilience and opportunity. The foundation for future growth is stronger than ever. Zooming out to the full year, BYD sold 402,436 new energy vehicles, a 7.7% increase over 2024. Growth slowed compared to previous years, but hitting their ambitious 4.6 million target is a major achievement. The Chinese market matured and competition intensified, but BYD adapted by pivoting to global opportunities. The modest overall growth masks dramatic shifts, domestic stagnation, but international acceleration. BYD's ability to grow in a tough year shows resilience and strategic agility. Their global presence is now a core strength, not just a bonus. Meeting their target cements BYD's status as a global EV leader. The stage is set for international markets to drive the next chapter. BYD's overseas story in 2025 is nothing short of remarkable. For the first time, they sold over 1 million vehicles abroad, 1,046,083, up 151% from 2024. This explosive growth is the result of years of strategic expansion across Europe, Southeast Asia, Australia, and Latin America. BYD's affordable, well-equipped EVs are winning over buyers worldwide. International sales now make up nearly 23% of their total business, transforming BYD into a truly global brand. This diversification makes them less dependent on China and more resilient overall. As BYD's cars appear in cities from Munich to São Paulo, their reputation and sales feed off each other. The company is proving a Chinese automaker can thrive on the world stage. Overseas success is now a pillar of BYD's business. Their global journey is just beginning. While BYD soared abroad, the Chinese market told a different story. For the first time in years, BYD faced real slowdown at home, with sales dropping for 4 straight months. The reason? Fierce competition from both domestic and foreign brands, and a crowded market. Plug-in hybrids, once a BYD strength, have seen 9 months of declining sales as consumers shift toward pure electrics. Improved charging infrastructure and longer ranges are making all electrics more appealing. BYD can no longer take its dominance in China for granted. They'll need to innovate, refreshing hybrids or launching new electrics to stay ahead. The slowdown is a wake-up call, making global expansion not just smart but essential. International growth now cushions the company against domestic headwinds. The stakes in China have never been higher. BYD's diverse lineup is key to its success. The company has built a reputation for offering something for everyone, whether you're looking for a compact city car, a family SUV, or a commercial vehicle for business needs. They focus on 2 main types: battery electric vehicles, known as BEVs, and plug-in hybrids, or FEVs. This dual approach lets BYD reach a wide range of drivers, from those ready to go fully electric to those who want the flexibility of a hybrid. BEVs are 100% electric. No gas engine, just plug in and go. They're perfect for drivers who want zero emissions and the latest in green technology. In 2025, BYD sold 2,256,714 BEVs, up nearly 28% from the previous year. This surge shows how quickly drivers are embracing electric vehicles. Models like the Seal, Dolphin, and Auto 3 are hits both in China and abroad. These cars are praised for their design, range, and affordability, making them popular choices worldwide. PHEVs combine electric motors with a small gas engine for flexibility, but sales fell 8% to 2,288,709 as buyers skip hybrids for full electrics. Still, PHEVs remain a good option for those not ready to go all electric. The shift is clear. More people want pure electric cars. This trend is shaping the future of the auto industry, with BYD leading the way. BYD also makes commercial vehicles, buses, trucks, and vans. These vehicles are designed for businesses and public transport, supporting cleaner cities. In 2025, they sold 57,013 commercial NEVs, up a massive 162%. This growth highlights BYD's expanding influence in the commercial sector. Their electric buses are used worldwide, helping cities cut pollution and improve air quality for millions of people. Commercial vehicles are a fast-growing, strategic part of BYD's business, opening new markets and opportunities for the company. The lineup's diversity is a major competitive edge, allowing BYD to meet the needs of drivers and businesses around the world. BYD's battery business is a powerhouse in its own right. In 2025, they installed 285.6 GWh of power and energy storage batteries, a 47% jump from 2024. Their Blade battery, a lithium iron phosphate design, is known for safety, longevity, and efficiency. Making their own batteries gives BYD control over costs and supply, a huge advantage over rivals. They supply batteries not just for their cars, but for other automakers and energy storage projects. As the world shifts to renewables, demand for large-scale energy storage is booming. BYD is positioned to lead in both electric vehicles and energy solutions. Their battery division is growing even faster than their car business. BYD is more than a car maker. They're an energy technology giant. So, what's next for BYD? The company is shifting from Chinese champion to global contender, with international markets now central to its future. Expect more global expansion, new factories, and a focus on all-electric vehicles as hybrids decline. The Chinese market will remain fiercely competitive, demanding constant innovation. BYD's challenge: balance rapid global growth with defending its home turf. Despite bumps in 2025, they hit their targets and proved their resilience. The company's future depends on building international momentum and outpacing rivals in innovation. The world is watching to see what dreams BYD will build next. The ride is just getting started.